So now I'm gonna give you like 3 tips of what not to do and 3 tips of what can kind of get you out of a moment when you feel stuck. So 3 things that are commonly done with portraits that aren't good is people cut the heads off, they do a weird crop with the hands, and then they'll have something like coming out of your model's head. So that's like HHO. So just remember HO, like head, hands, and out of the head. So you definitely want to be careful when you're shooting that you're paying attention to all of those things, the head, the hands, and what's coming out of their head. And then also, so just 3 quick tips that can help you if you feel like your model did sort of like lose her spark or your client is feeling like a little stiff. So it can be uncomfortable to like look at the camera for a long amount of time. So a good just tip is to tell them to look away from camera, and it kind of gives them a break, and it gives you a chance to move around and maybe take some more photojournalistic photos of them kind of looking off camera. Another one would be to just have them like breathe through their lips, or you can even tell them blow out of your lips. Blow out of your lips, relax your shoulders. That right there is gonna make like the biggest difference in your portraits. And then the third one would definitely be movement. So that's you moving and also your model or subject moving. So you have to move around and find the light and find like what your best angle is, and also getting your model moving around and finding, you know, like getting comfortable in her body so that you can get like really great portraits. A fourth one that always works is just get a little closer. If you feel that like things aren't working, try to get a little bit closer. For whatever reason, when you just step in and get a little bit closer, a little bit more intimate, it's gonna really bring out like that like close up, really fill your frame for that portrait. So thanks to you guys so much for watching. We really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give us a thumbs up and comment below. We definitely want to always hear what the next thing is that you want to see. Also, don't forget, for more photo tutorial tips and social media branding tips, go to theinspireclub.net. Also, follow me on Instagram, Jana Williams Photos, Facebook, Jana Williams Photos, and most importantly, stay inspired.